In Sembly team and above plans, you can track tasks mentioned during the meeting, assign them to yourself or to others, and send to task management tools. Other workspace members can also assign tasks to you. You will be notified of the new assignments in the My Tasks section in the left side menu. This is a place to track your assignments. To learn more, check out My Tasks tutorial. To check other tasks and assign others, dive into the meeting. Open Tasks section. Tasks will be divided into categories depending on the time needed for completion, where activities are the shortest, projects are the longest, and tasks in the middle. You can set up a deadline if it wasn't mentioned on the meeting. Assign a performer. And change the item text. After all the necessary preparations completed, you can seamlessly send the item to your preferred task management tool. We already connected with Trello using webhooks in the custom integration section. Now we can click integration button and immediately see the tasks on the Trello board. Now it's time for you to test tasks in action.